The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a tornado warning for eastern Bailey County in northwestern Texas, northern Hockley County in northwestern Texas, southwestern Lamb County in northwestern Texas, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Beulah, or 15 miles west of Littlefield, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of eastern Bailey, northern Hockley, and southwestern Lamb counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.